Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're talking about the legendary comeback of a true American icon, the 2026 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. That's right, Chevy brought the beast back, and it's bolder, tougher, and more stylish than ever before. If you're a fan of retro muscle, modern tech, and off-road power, you're going to love this new chapter in Blazer history. Let's dive in. The K5 Blazer has always been a symbol of rugged freedom, especially for off-road enthusiasts and vintage SUV lovers. But the 2026 version isn't just about nostalgia, it's a full-blown modern SUV built with cutting-edge features and serious muscle under the hood. First off, let's talk design. The 2026 K5 Blazer pays homage to the original with that boxy, aggressive silhouette we all remember. It features a bold front grille, classic round LED headlights with a modern twist, and sharp body lines that echo the old-school 70s and 80s K5 but with a futuristic edge. The high ground clearance, flared wheel arches, and thick all-terrain tires scream off-road dominance. This isn't just a showpiece. The K5 Blazer 2026 is built on a rugged body-on-frame chassis, just like the original. That means real-deal off-road performance. It's available in both 2-door and 4-door configurations, which is a major win for those looking to keep things old-school or family-friendly. Now, under the hood, this is where things get wild. The base model comes with a 5.3-liter V8, pushing out around 400 horsepower, but if that's not enough for you, Chevy offers a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers up to 450 horsepower and over 470 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this thing can conquer trails, mud, snow, and highways like it's nothing. And for those seeking eco-conscious performance, there are rumors of a hybrid or even all-electric variant coming later in the year, using Ultium battery tech. So yes, the K5 is future-ready. Moving to the interior, Chevy blends retro cues with high-tech convenience. You've got classic-style round air vents and bold trim accents, mixed with a 13.4-inch touchscreen, digital driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in trail maps for off-roading adventures. Add to that a premium sound system and an optional panoramic roof, and you've got the best of both worlds, vintage soul with modern comfort. And don't worry about safety, this SUV is loaded with modern features like checkmark adaptive cruise control, shield lane keep assist, revolving light automatic emergency braking, camera with flash surround vision cameras for better trail and parking visibility. Whether you're heading off the grid or pulling up to a car meet, the K5 Blazer will turn heads and tackle whatever terrain you throw at it. The cargo space is generous, and the rear seats fold flat for extra utility. Whether it's hauling camping gear, mountain bikes, or just weekly groceries, the Blazer's got the space and strength to handle it all. Now, let's talk numbers. Pricing for the 2026 Chevrolet K5 Blazer starts at around $52,000, with top trims pushing closer to $70,000 depending on options and engine choices. Considering its performance, heritage, and style, that's a solid value in today's SUV world. So, final thoughts. The Chevrolet K5 Blazer 2026 is a legendary name brought back to life the right way. It blends timeless design with modern muscle and cutting-edge tech, perfect for adventurers, collectors, and anyone craving that classic American SUV vibe. Thanks for watching today's review on Car Trend. If you love this breakdown of the K5 Blazer, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, would you daily this beast or take it straight to the trails? Until next time, keep it classic, keep it powerful, and always stay on trend. Fire our United States.